Hey all, welcome to my channel, Holistic Beauty RN. If you're new here, I'm a registered nurse, soon to be family nurse practitioner who enjoys making content that provides evidence on remedies that have been proven to work. So stay tuned for another great video, and remember, happy hair is healthy hair.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hello to all my beautiful people. Welcome to my channel, Holistic Beauty RN. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do aloe vera gel, how I prep it and get it ready to use for my hair. If you remember from one of my previous videos, I showed how I use aloe vera on my face. So if you haven't seen that video, please go check it out. This is just a single aloe vera gel. I just cut off the piece of it. Here's what it typically would look like. The leaf, it's kind of got a long stem here, the end of it, which doesn't really have the gel, but as you can see in the actual body part of it, the mid portion of it, it's very thick. That's where all that jelly goodness is. So I'm just gonna cut off the end here so you kind of see that whitish part. You don't want to use that, so we're just gonna go ahead and cut that part off. Please be careful when you're doing this, you know, as you are handling a knife, which is sharp, so you definitely don't want to run the risk of cutting yourself. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut off along the sides here where it's sharp. This might be a little easier. I've seen other people do it like this, so I'll just do it like this then too. I'm gonna go ahead, now that I've cut the sharp edges off, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it kind of in the middle, because then what I'm gonna do is, once I have the inside of it exposed, it makes it easier for me to scoop out that jelly goodness, which is what we're gonna use right down the middle there. Oh my gosh, this is heaven sent. Do you see all that gel just sticking together? You just see the string. All right, so I've got my little cup here. So I'm gonna go ahead, take a spoon, any old spoon, and you're just gonna scoop that gel. It's kind of slippery, so make sure you kind of got a good grip on this as you're doing this. Okay, so I'm just going ahead. I want to make sure you guys really see what I'm doing here. And I'm just scooping it. See all that gel coming in? The hair, just every single part. Aloe vera is one of those ancient remedies, ancient herbal remedies that's been used for centuries, y'all. So I'm just going to place this in my blender cup. So peppermint oil, this stuff is really good for soothing the scalp. It helps to prevent itching and dryness, which can lead to irritation of the scalp. So I'm just using 2 to 3 drops of each essential oil. So the next one that I'm going to use is rosemary oil. So much research has shown the benefits of rosemary oil, especially in relation to how it stimulates hair growth, which that's what it's known for, to stimulate hair growth. So I'm going to go ahead and put a few drops of that in there, about 3 drops. Castor oil is very good. It's an intense moisturizer. So I'm gonna add 5 drops of my castor oil in there. Trust me, it's a much more even consistency. Look at that. All right, you guys, welcome back. So I've got my hair parted in 4 different sections here, as you can see. I've got 2 up top and then 2 in the back. It just makes it easier as I'm working through applying this aloe vera gel. Don't y'all just like that? I got my little swivel chair. So easy, I just turn around. Y'all can see the back, y'all can see the front, y'all can see the side. Isn't that so easy? I ain't even gotta move. Just stay seated.
Anyways, like I said, I just parted in 4 sections because, as y'all see, I got so much hair. My hair is super thick, so it just makes it easier for me to apply this aloe vera. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this section that's not already tied up. So as y'all seen before, I prepared my aloe vera juice, or gel rather. So now I'm gonna apply it to my hair as an intense deep conditioner. before I wash it out and style my hair. So let's get to it. I just want y'all to see how, look at that stretch, y'all. Y'all can't tell me something that looks like that ain't gonna be good for your hair. That's intense moisture at its best. Remember, I had the castor oil, the peppermint oil, and the rosemary oil in addition to the actual aloe vera gel. So all of those are just like a powerhouse when it comes to adding some nutrients and moisture. My hair is gonna be like, girl, bring it on, bring it.
Girl, bring it on, bring it on.
And get this, my gosh, I wonder how long it can stretch. Geez, look at it. Don't this kind of look like snot? What if it, ugh, excuse me. I know you're like, oh, this girl nasty. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, let's go ahead and put it in the hair. As you can see, y'all see this, right? Okay, good. So I'm just putting it in my hair. And one thing that I want to mention, y'all, is you want to make sure you're massaging this mixture into your scalp. Make sure scalp massages at least 3 times a day for like a few minutes at a time is very nourishing to the scalp. It helps to get that blood flow circulating. And circulating blood brings nutrients and all that good stuff that the hair needs to really grow. I feel that peppermint oil making my scalp tingle. I don't feel any dryness, no irritation, nothing, y'all. It is just like heaven to my scalp. It's just like heaven. Curl powder is coming through. Oh, yes. So now that I put that in there, I just like to have a wide tooth comb and detangle the hair. So that's what I'm doing, y'all. Starting off at the end and just detangling that hair. I'm going to go ahead and twist it up, and then I'm going to move on to the next section. I know people on YouTube who swear by this stuff, and this is like a staple in their hair care routine. Like, they use it at least minimally once a week. So, you know, I've just seen so many good things about it, and I love aloe vera in general, so I can honestly say that I would be okay to incorporate this into my hair care for once a week, at least once a week. Let's get this on my hair. So you guys, how are y'all doing today? I'm curious, what are some natural remedies that you guys absolutely swear by? Like, you're like thinking like, this is the gold mine here, this absolutely works for me, and there's no going back. Like, what is that remedy for you guys? Go ahead and comment in the comment section below, because I'm curious to hear some of you guys' stories. I know I was like long-winded with all that, but hey, shoot, I gotta give you all the information, right? Gotta be as candid as possible, that's how you learn. Shoot, I want somebody telling me all the good secrets too. So now I'm just combing through, detangling all the boring stuff, which y'all probably don't care nothing about. So we all move right along, and I will catch up with you when I'm done with all this, okay? So stay tuned.
All right, so I am ready to wash my hair off. It's been well over an hour, probably like 2 hours, but hey, the longer the better, don't matter. So I just had my, remember that hat I was telling y'all about before, that silk line, my Grace Ellis hat on. So it's got the silk lining here, that's really good. So I just had that on in my hair. So now I'm just going to go ahead and wash this stuff out. All right, you guys, I'm just rinsing this out in my sink. Normally I would go in the tub and do this, but since it's just me rinsing out this aloe vera stuff, I didn't want to run the hassle of getting in the tub. So I'm just going to do it here in my sink. I'm back. So we're gonna go ahead and get into styling this hair. So I just got a basic cotton t-shirt on my hair, and just to let you guys know, my hair is still very moisturized and just so soft, and oh my gosh, I just still can't believe how amazing these results are so far with this aloe vera. I'm very pleased. So I've got my ingredients here. Just got a regular spray bottle with some water in here. Got my homemade flaxseed gel. Do it yourself. It's a good idea. I'm gonna consider doing, or actually I will do an upcoming video about how I made my do-it-yourself flaxseed gel. So stay tuned for that. And of course, I've got my do-it-yourself shea butter cream. So you guys, if y'all haven't seen that video already, I can't stress it enough.
Go see it. So today,
I'm thinking about doing something real cool. I want something big, like a big fro. I'm gonna do some perm rods today.
Okay, so on here, taking a small size section there. So I'm going to use my thumb, the opposite finger thumb that I'm not holding the perm rod with. And I'm going to start from the bottom. I'm going to have the tip of the perm rod dangling downward. And then I'm going to use my thumb of the opposite hand And I'm going to use that as an anchor to hold the hair in place. So I'm just going to go ahead and rotate the curler so that it's on there secure. And then I'm going to use that hand and rotate the wrist as I'm getting the curl on there. That's going to create our curling action. Rotate the wrist again. And then I'm just going to curl it up the rest of the way. I'm going to take the end of the perm rod and snap it into the other end securely. And there you have it. I'm putting that in the hair to moisturize. And it's going to act as a gel to kind of give that hair some hold. And I'm using my do-it-yourself shea butter cream. Getting a little bit of that. Rubbing it in my fingers, and then I'm going to rub it alongside my hair, or inside the hair. Really paying attention to those ends, because we don't want any frizzy ends. I'm going to take my comb and just detangle that hair. Alright. So again, I'm going to have the piece that is snapped in, dangling at the bottom, using the other opposite hand to secure, using that thumb to secure the bottom of the hair. So see, it's securing. That thumb is securing the bottom of the hair so it doesn't come out. I'm going to roll it once, all the way through, and then I'm going to rotate the wrist 360, that opposite hand, as I'm curling the hair on there. So about 2 curls, 2 complete curls or rotations, then I would just go ahead and roll up the hair the rest of the way. I won't rotate the wrist anymore, curl it, and then I'll just take the end and secure it in there. So there you have it.
Okay, you guys, so I've done half my head, as you can see. So now we're gonna move on to the other half. So I finally completed my whole head of hair, as you can see. Got my little hooded hair dryer here. Normally I don't sit under the hair dryer because I try to minimize my heat exposure to my hair, but I want these bad boys to hurry up and dry. Getting under this hair dryer, y'all. Make myself comfortable. Y'all don't talk about my water bottle. I know it's big. And I will see you guys when I'm done. Hey you guys, it's the next day, so I went ahead and tied this up in my silk wrap here, and now I'm gonna take these out and show you guys the final result. So my hair is completely dry, so I'm just pulling that end part there out, and then I'm just pulling it and letting. Y'all, I love this curl so much I had to slow it down for y'all. Look at that definition, the bounce. Oh my goodness. Yes, period.
And my hair is so soft and moisturized. All right, let's take these bad boys out. So I'll see you guys when all of this is taken out.
So I've taken all these perm rods out. I had a total of 51 in there for those of y'all who are wondering. So this is the immediate look after I've been taking them out. Get a little oil on my fingers to ensure that there is less frizz or no frizz when I'm taking these bad boys or separating these bad boys. I just rub the oil. Go ahead and do that all throughout. And just kind of twirl them to kind of get them back in that curly mode after I do so. All right, you guys, so this is what it looks like after I've separated the curls. Dandy pick, and I'm gonna pick this bad boy out. Y'all, I haven't rocked perm rods, the perm rod curl set in a hot minute, so I am super excited. Thinking about like maybe pinning up my hair a little bit. What y'all think? I kind of do like the mohawk effect. So I'm just pinning it up, trying to kind of give myself a little mohawk effect going on here. There we go. Got my little bangs over here in the front. I always like my cute little curly bangs. Y'all, is it just me, or do I look like old girl from Michael Jackson's Thriller video?
What y'all think? I know. Don't all speak at once.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and press that bell for notifications for future videos.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.